Hello students, hope you are in good health. Myself Dr. Seema Pattewar, working as a senior lecturer in Sanjeevani Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Kopargaon. Welcome to the second year D Pharm, and I am going to teach you Pharmaceutics 2 subject. Today we will discuss regarding syllabus of Pharmaceutics 2 subject. This subject is important for your further study, that is B Pharm also. So Pharmaceutics 2 basically divided into two parts, that is dispensing pharmacy and dispensed medication. In dispensing pharmacy there are three chapters, that is prescription, incompatibilities in prescription and posology. So in prescription we will see the definition of prescription, various parts of the prescription, then modern prescription. So these are the sub points in the chapter. Next, incompatibilities in the prescription. So in this we will see three types of incompatibilities, that is physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility and therapeutic incompatibility. In posology chapter we will see different formulas for calculating the dosage for the children when the adult dose is given to you. That is the science of doses, that is called as the posology. Next is the dispensed pharmacy. In that we will see different dosage form such as solid dosage form. In that we will see powder in detail. The next is the liquid dosage form. It is divided into two, that is monophasic liquid dosage form and biphasic liquid dosage form. In monophasic liquid dosage form we will see different monophasic liquids such as syrup, elixir and different formulations method to prepare these. Then next is the biphasic liquid dosage form. In that we will see two chapters, that is suspension and emulsion. So suspension is solid in liquid and emulsion is liquid in liquid type of preparation, that we will see in detail when the chapter will come to our syllabus. Then next is the semi-solid dosage form. In that we will see ointment, paste and jellies. The next suppositories and pessaries. Already we have seen this definition in the first year, that is you should know the names of these type of dosage form. The next, dental and cosmetic preparation. So this is the totally new chapter for you. In that we will see various cosmetic preparations such as lipstick, antiperspirant and deodorant, various depilatories preparation, shampoos, etc. The next is the sterile dosage form. Here we will see the definition of parenteral, various evaluation tests such as pyrogen test, leakage test, particulate matter monitoring test, that we will see in that particular chapter. The next is the ophthalmic product. In ophthalmic product we will see different dosage forms such as eye drop, eye lotion, eye ointment and contact lens solution. So this is regarding short introduction of your syllabus. In detail we will see when the actual chapter comes in our syllabus.